Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the updating videos in your queue. Okay, today we are going to create collections. We will see that how collections are created, how we can manual and automatic collections create. So first of all, going into Shopify admin, then go to here in collections. After in collection, just click on create collection. Okay, here you see that we have to give a title here like new products. This is the title. Try to make title at least 50 to 70 characters, so it will be good for SEO purposes. Okay, then we have some description. Okay, here we will create some manual description, demo description. Here is the editor. You can make it bold or any other changes. You can also insert image from here in the description. If you want, you can also publish it in different sales channels available here. Here is the collection image that will be showing on the collection as an image. There are two types of collections. Number one is manual and another one is automated. In manual, if you go to click manual, then you don't have any option of adding products. If you have more than 1000 products and you want to create a condition that if this condition fulfills, then these products will be showing into this collection. So this is not possible in manual case. You have to create collection manually and then adding the products manually in the collection, each product. So in automated, you see we have conditions options, like if you want to make all the conditions to fulfill and add the product, or you can add any condition. Like here we will select product title, product type, vendor on the basis of tags, price, compared price, weight, inventory stock, variance life. Like you can also say that all the products their price is greater than 50 will be showing in this collection. Like this collection will include all products with at least one variant that matches price. You can also make a condition like if the product title contains word mobile. So after doing this, we will see that how it will look like, and at the end you have an option of edit for SEO purposes. So here you see the title should be at least of maximum 70 characters, so it's good for search engines to search. And then the description should not be more than 320 characters here. And at the end we have URL handle. This is the URL that will be showing in search engines for each collection. You can also edit this thing like new product. So we will save it and see that how this collection looks like on store. Okay, we are saving it. When you save, then all the products that fulfill the conditions will be showing in that automatic collection like this. So we will view the collection now. So this is the collection title. This is the collection description and all the products that are showing in that collection. We will further see that how we can make more customized collection, like if you want custom headers here to be shown for each collection separately, then we will also create a video on it, that how you can achieve that. So these are the collections that are automatically or manually created on the basis of title, type, product vendor, product tag, price, compared price, weight, stock entry, inventory stock, and variance title. So I hope you guys understand how collections are made, how they are prioritized for automated or manual selections. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, do subscribe the channel and like the video and press the bell icon so you can get all the update videos for Shopify Store 12 Mint. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.